How to merge or combine multiple PDF files on Android. This tutorial shows you how to combine your PDFs into one single file using iLovePDF directly from your browser on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. This can be Chrome or Samsung Internet. After that, type in ilovepdf.com in the address bar and tap Go to open the website. From there, you'll land on the iLovePDF homepage showing a list of PDF tools available. At this point, tap on Merge PDF from the list of tools. In the next step, tap on Select PDF files to begin uploading your files. Following this, your file manager will open. Navigate to where your PDF files are stored and select the first one. Once done, tap on the plus icon or Add More Files to upload the remaining PDFs you want to combine. From here, once all your files are uploaded, you'll see them listed on the screen in order. At this stage, press and hold any file to drag and rearrange them if you want to change the order before merging. After this, once you're happy with the arrangement, tap on Merge PDF to start the combining process. Once completed, the website will process your files and prepare the merged PDF for download. Finally, tap on Download Merged PDF to save the combined file directly to your device's Downloads folder. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you combine your PDF files into one, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.